Hi, good evening. This is Manohar from MIT studying Masters of Networking, and the subject is System Management. Now I'm here to explain about two tools, comparison of two tools, IOTOP and the NMON. So coming to the IOTOP provides a user management module allowing administrator to assign users with one or more predefined profiles. The combination of profiles determines for each user that action he or is allowed to perform ITOP, like viewing, creating, modifying, or deleting objects. The NMON, NMON is a monitoring tool designed for AIX or Linux to monitor and analyze your computer performance data. NMON helpful presents all the important performance tuning operations connected on the different screens. So it has analyzing capacity of monitoring CPU usage, memory, network, disk, file systems, NFS, top process system, NMON. So now I'm going to share my screen. So here is my Kali Linux. So here we're going to execute like few commands. We'll run with IOTOP. So sudo apt get install IOTOP. So the IOTOP is already installed on this. So sudo IOTOP. It's mainly the running tool. It shows the disk partitions, read-write operations, swapping, and users, and what are the running process on the system. So if you press Q, it goes out of the operation. So now sudo IOTOP -o command root for running the terminal to check system disk process, the use of presentees. So next sudo IOTOP -d. It mainly displays -b, sorry, displays all the information like terminal to check system presentees who are present on the system, so on. So for this features, if we consider like it has good IOTOP information of usage, and like -o command to check process or thread. So -b just like time between screen updates. So here now let's clear command. So everything goes off, and now we can execute the next tool, NMON. Sudo apt install NMON. So NMON is already installed in my system. So now if you press NMON, so this is how it looks. NMON. So here we have different types of commands like CPU, memory usage, how much it's gonna calculate, and disk performance, kernel, what are the kernel systems are we using, how much virtual memory it has, how many networks it is gonna build up in the system. So there are many options. So we'll try with few commands. So C, which shows the CPU utilization of the system which I'm using now. So the user percentage, system percentage. So I have only like one RAM or kind of thing. So now if you go with D, it shows disk utilization capacity, how much is going on like with SDA, SD1, SDA2, SDA5, read-write operations. And also if you press M, it shows memory usage on the swap between the systems, how much memory the system has, and how much it has been allocated, and how much it has been freed from that allocated space. And also it has few commands, help. So we can see all the commands which you don't know. So we can execute from that, seeing the help commands. And also we have, so this is all about NMON tool. When we compare the two tools, IOTOP and NMON, IOTOP uses a monochrome display mode, but by default. So it will toggle with the color mapping mode. Commands are truncated by default in IOTOP, and typing C will give more extended information on their paths and arguments. So coming to the NMON, it's a fully interactive performance monitoring tool compared to the IOTOP. So it has good CPU network usage performance and memory allocation performance, file systems, top process system when compared to the IOTOP. So this is how the two tools work here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.